If you notice that your Motorola phone has been charging to a certain percentage and then it stops sometimes 100, maybe 80, 85, then it could be your optimized charging is enabled. So let's find this feature together and see what it's all about. There's so many charging options on many Android phones, and to find those of your Motorola phone, use the quick access, tap on the settings right here, and once you reach here, instead of searching for it, I were you, go to battery, and the battery section is going to show you different options. So you have optimized charging, which as you go into it, if it's turned on, it's going to charge and go based on how you charge regularly. It's going to use that so-called AI and charge accordingly. And if you're a heavy charger, one who likes to charge your phone even if you just lose 5%, then I would not recommend using this feature, as well as if you want to use the 80% charge limit. So if I were you, I'd turn this off and leave it on if you're interested in protecting your battery health, because this is just going to balance out how often you would charge your battery so that you won't keep charging it and overcharge it, killing your battery health. Now, if you come out of here, there is another one called overcharge protection. And if your phone has just been charging to 80% only all the time, it could be that this one is on. So just turn these off if you want to just charge it like how you want to charge it. And that's that. Like and sub.